In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slider on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clean professional slideshow on your store's homepage, ready to showcase products, promotions, or brand visuals. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This takes you to the area where your website's design and content live. From there, select themes so you can work with the design currently powering your storefront. Find your active theme and click Edit to open the theme editor. Depending on your version, this may be labeled Customize, but the goal is the same. You're entering the visual editor where you can add and arrange sections on your pages. Inside the theme editor, focus on the left side panel. Click Add Section to see the components your theme supports. You're looking for slideshow, image slider, or sometimes hero depending on your theme's naming. Click Add and the new slider section will appear in your layout, typically on the home page. You can drag it up or down to place it exactly where you want it to appear. Now add your slides, open the new section and use the slide blocks to upload images. Choose high quality, wide images for best results. Many themes look great with a width around 1600 to 2000 pixels. For each slide you can usually add a heading, a short description, and an optional button that links to a collection, a featured product, or a promo page. Include descriptive alt text to help with accessibility and SEO. Keep your text short and impactful so it remains readable on smaller screens. Next, configure your slideshow settings. Adjust the slider height to fit your design, choose whether it autoplays, and set the slide duration and transition style. If your theme offers arrows or dots, decide which navigation you prefer. Arrows can be clearer on desktop, while dots work well for mobile. Tweak overlay options to ensure text stands out. Dark overlays with light text are often the most readable. Align text left, center, or right based on your imagery, and fine-tune content width to prevent wrapping. If available, check mobile-specific controls like image cropping or text size so your slider stays crisp and legible on phones. Before you publish, preview on both desktop and mobile using the device icons at the top of the editor. Make sure key parts of your images aren't cropped awkwardly, buttons are easy to tap, and text contrasts well with the background. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it, your Shopify slider is live. Use it to highlight timely offers, new arrivals, or brand stories. And remember to update slides regularly to keep your storefront fresh.